and welcome to another GCSE revision video. In this video we're going to be looking at the second paper in the foundation tier of the June 2017 past paper for the AQA 8300 series, and we're looking at question 6. Oh, by the way, this is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators. It reads, a swimming pool has 3 changing rooms, male, female and family. The pictogram shows the number of people using each changing room during 1 hour, and the key is that one, which I think is a picture of a swimming pool, represents blank people. We don't know how many people. And there are 2 whole pictures for the male. There are 3 3/4 of a picture for the female, and there's half a picture for the family. Now it says 8 people used the male changing room, and part 6a says complete the key. Okay, so 2 whole pictures represents 8 people, so 1 whole picture must represent 4 people, so 4 plus 4 is 8, or 8 divided by 2 is 4. So that part was fairly simple. Part B says, how many people use the female changing room? Well, this is just a case of reading it off the graph. So that picture is 4, 4, 4, and 3/4 of 4. Well, 1/4 is going to be 1 then. So that's 4 minus 1 is 3. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3. Well, 3 times 4 is 12. 13, 14, 15. So that's 12 plus 3 is 15. So I might show my working out. I might say 12 plus 3 equals 15. Instead, I might have said 3 times 4 plus 3/4 times 4 is equal to 12 plus 3, which is equal to 15. Or I might have observed that that is 4 whole ones minus 1, and I might have said 4 times 4 minus 1 is equal to 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. Any way you want to work it out is fine, so long as you get the answer of 15. Do not put all of those calculations. Any one of those would be fine. They're just how you calculate it. In fact, according to the answer key, if you just say 15, that would be fine. Another way you could have done is said 3.75 times 4, and you could have used your calculator and got 15. Any way you want to do this is fine, as long as you get the right answer. The manager has brought lockers for the changing rooms. Why should she not use these results to decide where to put them? Okay, so this not is in bold. So they're expecting you to think what's wrong with this picture, or what's wrong with this pictogram. Now, the problem with this is that it's during 1 hour, and 1 hour is a very short sample space, or a very small sample space. So what they're looking for is for you to say that the sample is too small. You could have used words like the sample is not representative, or something like that as well. That would have been fine. But it's that statistical concept that you cannot rely on a small sample size. There's so many ways that this could be not representative. For example, what if a girls' school had booked the swimming pool for that hour? That would explain why there's so many more females than males. Now, according to the examiner's report, and I really don't know why, but a lot of people who took this in June 2017 said that there was a problem because there was too many females, or the results were heavily biased towards females, and that's actually got absolutely nothing to do with it. Maybe just more women than men use the swimming pool. There's nothing wrong with that. That's got nothing to do with this question. They're not looking for a politically correct answer. They're looking for a statistically correct answer. And this is about statistics, not politics. So the issue here is that the sample size is too small and therefore not representative. And that's the answer they're looking for 1 mark. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams, and I'll look forward to seeing you in another video.